So again, real quick, my background, I come from the world of network marketing, been involved for about 34 years in this industry. Had the honor, oh, by the way, I'm wearing the LiveGood brand new shirt. Had the honor and privilege of meeting our CEO, Ben Glinsky, oh my gosh, about 10 years, oh my gosh, 25 years ago. And that's all she wrote. Been love being a part of a company that's out there to help the masses to get healthy, stay healthy, do it in an affordable way. And at the same time, we paid over $150 million in commissions, mostly to everyday people that are out there holding their chin up. They becoming the product of the product themselves because now they can afford it, especially made by these amazing ingredients and getting trained by Lisa and Ryan. And guess what? They're going out there sharing the love because they can do it. They can hold their chin up and tell people that, hey, I found the product line, I found the supplement company that brings out the most advanced, result-driven products on earth at cost to everyday people. And how does it all start? Number one, with you becoming the product of the product. So again, I'm sorry I'm doing this in my car. Every summer we try to do what's called a VBS, Vacation Bible School. We go to less fortunate areas, and I'm thankful for LiveGood allowing that to happen. And today I'm here. Actually, it's going to start about 15 minutes. So I got to go help. But as I mentioned, I am wearing my brand new LiveGood shirt, and I'm so thankful for all of you to be here. If you're brand new member to our LiveGood family, we have about 2,000, 3,000 people a day joining LiveGood. Yes, even this time of year in June, which the traditional network marketing companies are not doing business because most of those companies make a product for $5 and sell it to people for $60, and they kind of brag about it on their compensation plan pages when they talk about how they give away cars and trips and watches and exotic things just because somebody paid $65 for a $15 CBD oil. Well, that's the old way of doing network marketing because those companies will actually commission the tangible. They would make a product, as I mentioned to you, for let's say $5, and they would sell it to their members for about 10 times the cost. So that would be about $50, and that member would pay $50 for, let's say, a $5 product, and then that person would sell them to their friend for $55. So you make $5 on a product. Well, that's the old way of doing it. Statistics don't lie, and statistically, people who join a traditional network marketing companies that make a product for $5 and sell it for $50 to their own distributor. So the distributor buys it for $50 and sell it to their friends for $55 or $60 to make $10. Traditionally, those companies are going out of business. A lot of them are publicly traded, so they had to show their their earning, or in this case, lack of, to their investors. Well, LiveGood is completely different. We've taken the best of the best of the best. It all starts with the ingredient quality, the freshest, the most result-driven ingredients on the planet. We truly splurge on ingredient quality because unlike other companies in our space that make a product for $5 and sell it for $50, we can actually splurge in and put the best ingredients in our products. As we talk about it all the time, ladies and gentlemen, highest quality products, which is documented. And when we say documented, we mean a ton of testing. We show you everything. We're very transparent. Highest quality products documented at the lowest price with 100% money back guarantee. This is LiveGood. And on the business front, ladies and gentlemen, this is the reason so many people are duplicating. A, they see what the products are doing for themselves without them going broke. And B, they're like, wait a minute, I can actually bless my friends, and if they don't like it for whatever reason and nobody returns products, they can return it in under 90 days, even if the bottles are empty. That, when you're proud, ladies and gentlemen, when you see what the products are doing for you without you going broke, when you see what these products are, just training that Lisa and Ryan offer you on the Monday live Zooms and what's archived in your back office, you can't stop sharing. I have a saying that goes like this: you really got to dislike somebody if you don't share LiveGood with them. So this is the foundation of LiveGood. Highest quality product. This is documented, and I mean documented. We show you exactly every possible test money can offer. We're very transparent. We show it to you on every one of our products. It's on our website without you asking. So it's fully documented. The freshest product on earth, and it comes to 100% money back guarantee. But to me, one of the biggest part is free training with Lisa and Ryan. Lisa and Ryan get on the Zoom every Monday, and all of the old ones are archived. That's found on the webinar section of your back office. So this is LiveGood. This is the foundation of LiveGood, where it all starts with you becoming the product of the product. And remember, it all comes to 100% money back guarantee. Now, let's see what's out there in the world. You know, there are people paying $4, $5 a day for 5-hour energy. I just found this on the parking lot of this place that we're in to do the Vacation Bible School. These are like $5 each. 5 times 30 is $150. And guess what? People are already spending money on 5-hour energy, on these energy drinks that are bad for them. But guess what? We LiveGood. For the $99, they can get about $500 to $600 worth of the most advanced nutritional result-driven products on earth, made by the best ingredients money can buy. Why? Because we don't commission the tangible. We don't make the product for $5, unlike traditional network marketing companies, and they sell it to the distributors for 50, 10 times the cost. So that distributor buys it for 50 and sell it to their friend for, let's say, 60. So the friend is basically paying $60 for a $5 product, so the other friend can make a couple of bucks. That old model is broken. It's done. It's over. Just like horses were the primary mode of transportation and now cars are. Old way of doing network marketing was making a product for 5, selling it to your distributors for 50, 10 times the cost, and then they resell it to their friends for a little bit more to make some money. And unfortunately, in that model, people quit in less than 3 months, 2.8 months to be exact, and nobody referred friends. Or they had to go buy leads and attraction marketing and funnels because, frankly, they were too ashamed to go out there and share their opportunity with their friends when the same company's website is giving away pink Cadillacs and trips and watches on people paying $65 for a $14 CBD oil, or paying $500 for a product that costs about $85 to make, and we bring it to you at very close to cost. This is LiveGood. That you cannot unsee what we're offering you. $500-600 worth of product, 100% money back guarantee, free training with Lisa and Ryan, products that are made by the best ingredients, freshest ingredients money can buy, because we don't have to worry about that 10x markup, and 100% money back guarantee. This is LiveGood. So A, you want to place your product order. You want to fall in love with the product. You want to, if you have social media, post about your product. Let people know you're part of this beautiful family called LiveGood, this beautiful ecosystem called LiveGood. That's what you want to do. So get your product order. Then the second thing you want to do, by the way, they all come with 100% money back guarantee, as I've said. In your back office, under your website addresses, there is the most advanced, comprehensive health system on the planet. It's absolutely free. Yes, it's a part of your 33 cents a day membership. This is what you want to do, ladies and gentlemen. You want to go out there and you want to immediately fill this out with your best email address and get it to Dr. Goodkin and his wife. They will go through the full analysis and they'll get back to you and suggestions. That's the second thing you want to do. Step number 1, place your product order, comes with a 100% money back guarantee. Step number 2, fill this out with your best email address the most honest way you can. You want to send that to the company. Now you did those 2 things, and now here's what you want to do. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to have 100 million members in this company within the next 5 years. We currently have about 2 million people. We've broken every record. We've paid hundreds of millions of dollars in commissions to everyday people that are out there becoming a product of the product, and they cannot help themselves proudly promoting what we have to offer. So what you want to do, you want to go out there immediately. We're going to have 100 million members. I mean, look at Amazon. Amazon has 220 million Prime members that are paying $14.95 a month. So if you overpay for some product, let's say a green that costs $5 to make, but they sell it for 80, you get free shipping out of it. But guess what? 200 million people are paying Amazon $14.95 a month. Club membership is the future of commerce. Look at Costco, right here in the United States of America, in Costco. 110 million people are paying Costco, what is it, $12.95 a month. So if you buy a gallon, if you want to save money on milk, you got to buy 2 gallons. If you want to save money on ketchup, you have to buy 4 pounds of ketchup. I'm joking. But guess what? People are doing it. Club membership, the whole subscription model is the future of commerce. So we know a few things. Let's line them all up. You got everybody wanting to get healthy, stay healthy, do it in an affordable way. People's buying habits shifted. People are not going to go back and overpay for things. So maybe somebody on some old pyramid, excuse my French, is going to get a pink Cadillac out of it. People become wiser shoppers. So you put all that together. You place your product order. You just filled out the most comprehensive health assessment on the planet with your best email address, and as honest as you could, send it to Lisa and Ryan. Now, as I mentioned about Amazon, remember, Amazon has 220 million Prime members, ladies and gentlemen, right now. 220 million Prime members that are paying Amazon $14.95 a month. I want you to imagine, close your eyes, not if you're driving. Close your eyes, and I want you to imagine it's a few years ago when Amazon only had 2 million Prime members. Now they have 220 million Prime members. Okay, and remember, Amazon started with books, and now they almost have everything, okay? Hint, hint. So let's say it's a few years ago when Amazon only had 2 million Prime members, and Mr. Jeff Bezos, which is the owner of Amazon, would have come to us and say, hey, boys and girls, how would you like to give me a one-time $40? You're already paying the Prime membership anyway. How would you like to give me a one-time $40 and go out there and bring me Prime members, and whoever they refer, and whoever they refer, and whoever they refer, I'll give you a percentage of their monthly membership. Imagine if Jeff Bezos did that when they only had 2 million Prime members. One-time $40 to go out there promote Amazon as a side hustle, right? And now imagine if you do that in LiveGood. That's LiveGood. Nobody's losing any money. It's a one-time $40 to be an affiliate. You're not even, the $9.95 a month is not a cost, because on average, people are placing between 7 and 10 orders, even though we don't have a product purchase requirement. Why? because when they look at the value, when they look at the pricing, when they look at the 100% money back guarantee, when they see Lisa and Ryan, how they look and how they train passionately, keeping the main thing, which is getting everybody healthy in an affordable way, then that's what people are doing. People are out there holding their chin up. They're like, hey, for $4 a day, I can either get a 5-hour energy or one of these ridiculous energy drinks that are just found over there, or I can get these products, get healthy, stay healthy, don't go broke, and so what? LiveGood doesn't give away pink Cadillacs and watches to people. We focus on ingredient quality, and we commission the membership. That's why we're able to do what we do. That's why we're able to bring you the most advanced, result-driven, freshest products on earth. That's why Dr. Goodkin can spend $14 on our reds, and we bring it to you at $18. It's because of the power of the club membership. The subscription model of commerce is the future. So what we did, we combined them all. Some people call it the perfect storm. Timing is perfect. We're going to have 100 million members, just like I said about Amazon. Imagine if Amazon, when they only had 2 million Prime members, now they have 220 million Prime members, the owner would have come to you and say, hey, boys and girls, give me a one-time $50, $40, and go out there, bring me other Prime members, and whoever they refer and they refer and they refer, I give you a percentage of their monthly membership for our life. That's LiveGood. One time $40, so not even a half a tank of gas. Doesn't matter who is or is not in the White House. That's just life. $40 one time and $9.95 a month with this 33 cents a day to be a part of this company, to be a part of the revolution of love and commerce. And guess what? We're going to have 100, 150, 200 million members. And you're one of the pioneers. You're one of the people that got in first. That's what LiveGood is all about. But it all starts with you becoming the product of the product. So now you place your product order, you filled out the most comprehensive health system with your best email address, and you send it to Lisa and Ryan, and now what do you want to do? Well, ladies and gentlemen, guess what? 3 out of 10 people, 4 out of 10 people that are joining LiveGood almost immediately start referring their friends. Almost immediately start referring their friends. Why? Because they cannot unsee the value. They cannot say, oh my God, you're telling me I can get $500-600 worth of products with 100% money back guarantee, get trained by Lisa and Ryan for less than $4 a day with the price of a 5-hour energy or a stupid, excuse my French, energy drink? Whoa. So that's what people cannot unsee. See, people cannot unsee the value of LiveGood. People buying habit is shifted. People are not going to go out there and spend $65 on a CBD oil with some network marketing company when the same companies are bragging about people making 100, 200, 300 grand a month because many people in their organization are overpaying for products. We don't do that. We don't commission the tangible. We commission the membership. So Dr. Kuching can splurge into the ingredients. So what you want to do now is you want to remember our buzzwords. I just mentioned it. People buying habits is shifted. Sorry, there's an alarm going on over here that I cannot stop, okay? Whoa, it's getting worse. Hold on, let me do something fancy over here. Okay, so people buying habits is shifted. People are not going to go back to overpaying for things. People are just not going to do that. Another thing, this is very important right here. Ladies and gentlemen, at LiveGood, we make our products with the best ingredients, freshest ingredients that money can buy for our members to use for themselves, unlike traditional network marketing companies that make it with ingredients for $5, sell it to their distributors for $50, and then ask that friend to sell it to their friends for $55, so you make $5 on your friend. We don't do that. We make it with the better ingredients, freshest ingredients. We train you how to use them for you to use for yourself. That's why when we introduce new products, they fly off the shelf because people can afford it. They buy it for themselves. We don't make a soap for $5 and sell it to you for $50, so you can go out there and turn around and sell it to your friend for $55. So basically, your friend is paying $55 for $5 soap. We flip the switch. Highest quality ingredients at the lowest price, close to cost, free training with Lisa and Ryan. That's LiveGood, ladies and gentlemen. And what you want to do, you want to reach out to everyone that you know on planet Earth, period. You want to reach out to everyone that you know on planet Earth, because with or without you, they're going to hear about LiveGood. I mean, that's a fact. With or without you, everybody's going to hear about LiveGood. And you want to keep it very nice, very calm, and just be sweet. Be sweet. You don't need to sit there and argue. There's nothing to argue. I mean, like I said, you cannot unsee our values. Simply what you want to do is reach out to everyone that you know on planet Earth immediately. At the rate we're growing, 2,000, 3,000 brand new people a day are joining LiveGood during summer, when in our industry, home-based business and supplementation, it's usually a dead time of the year because those companies have been price gouging people. So during summer and holidays, people are not going to pay $65 for a CBD oil that costs $16, $17 to make. They're going to take that extra money and take their children to an amusement park during summer or have fun with them. That's why traditional network, old network marketing companies are dead between May and end of summer, and then they go dead again during the holidays. Why? Because people deep in their heart, they know they're being price gouged. I mean, come on, when the same company is giving away pink Cadillacs and asks you to pay $35 for a lipstick, where do you think the pink Cadillac comes from? People have become wiser shoppers. People buying habits have shifted. But we live with is different. On our website, you don't see us giving away pink Cadillacs and rings and watches and clips to people. Where do you think that money would come from if we did? It would either come from us killing the ingredient quality or increasing the price, and we're never going to do either two because we've removed the compensation plan from the tangibles. We don't commission the tangibles. Yes, on your first order, if you bring somebody to us, we will bless you with a customer acquisition bonus that we were going to pay some social media influencer anyway. But we don't commission the tangible, and that's why a lot of everyday people who never done network marketing are so excited about LiveGood, because they're like, wait a minute, I can actually go to tell my friends about this, under $20 CBD oil, because LiveGood on the compensation plan page are not giving away Cadillacs and cars because my friend paid $65 for CBD oil. See, when you're proud of something, you go out there and promote it proudly. You hold your chin up like some people do with their faith. Some people would die for their faith because they believe in it. They believe in it. And when you believe in something, when you see what LiveGood has done for you and your family, and then when you start making an extra 30, 40, 50, 60, 80 bucks, 100 bucks, 200 bucks, 300 bucks, 500 bucks a month, depending on how hard you work and how big is your contact base, guess what? That money is made proudly, because none of that money is going to come from people overpaying for products and parking it in their pantry. That money comes from people paying $9.95 a month to be a part of the revolution of love and commerce and be trained by Lisa and Ryan. So yes, just imagine the Amazon mentality. Imagine when Amazon only had 2 million Prime members, now they have 220 million Prime members. The owner of Amazon, which is Mr. Jeff Bezos, would have come to us and say, hey, boys and girls, give me a one-time 40 bucks and go out there and bring me more Prime members. And whoever they refer and they refer and they refer, I give you a percentage of their monthly membership fee for life. That's 220 million people now. That's LiveGood now. That's LiveGood now. We have 2 million members. We will have 150 million members, because everybody needs to get healthy, stay healthy, do it in an affordable way. And just like Amazon started with books and now Amazon really has everything, we can bring anything into this beautiful club membership. We can bring anything and everything, any service you can imagine into the community that's built by love and honesty and transparency. You're building a community, ladies and gentlemen. That's what I want you to think. But it all starts with you becoming the product of the product. So place your product order, fill out the most comprehensive assessment on the planet that's in your back office, then start sharing with your beloved. Because everybody that you can think of is going to join LiveGood. Just like the Amazon situation. See, there will be a day that we will be a household name. I talk about that all the time. There'll be a name that we will be a household name. Look at that. We will be a household name. Why? Imagine, if you want to wipe your nose, use Kleenex. If you want to fix your little boo-boo on a finger, use Band-Aid. If you want to clean a window, use a Windex. Those are the name of the brands who capture the majority of the market first. That's LiveGood, and you're right in front of it. The opportunity that you have, number one, you're going to get healthy, stay healthy, get and do it in an affordable way, and get trained by Lisa and Ryan. That's the number one. But number two, now you have an opportunity to carve out as big of a pie as you want from this LiveGood revolution of love. We have 2 million people. We will have 150 million people. Nobody's losing any money. So one time 40 bucks to be the part of the business, not monthly, not weekly, not annually. It's forever. And the 33 cents a day, $9.95 a month that people are paying is not even a cost, because most people are placing between 7 to 10 orders. And just because they're paying $9.95 a month, being trained by Lisa and Ryan on top of everything, they're saving $50, $60, $70 a month on our products that are already bottom rock prices as retail. So it's like a win-win-win all around, but it starts with you becoming the product of the product. Start building your story. So I got to go back and serve these kids. I love you all. Go out there and don't forget to place the new shirt. All right? God bless you all. We will see you at the top.